Tired of cramped, inconvenient RV toilets on your travels? Upgrade your journey with the top 10 RV toilets. Imagine stress-free holiday trips, no more bathroom hassles. Whether you're in a motorhome, camper, or travel trailer, these toilets are designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Space-saving designs fit perfectly into any RV layout. No wasted space. Maximize every inch of your mobile home. Easy foot pedal flush means hands-free operation. Integrated hand flush levers offer extra flexibility. Efficient water usage keeps your travels eco-friendly. Lightweight construction makes installation a breeze. No complicated setup, just quick, hassle-free mounting. Durable materials ensure long-lasting reliability. Easy-to-clean surfaces save you time and effort. Perfect for families, solo travelers, or weekend adventurers. Compact designs fit even the smallest RV bathrooms. Enjoy high-efficiency flushing, no clogs, no worries. Marine electric models available for boat owners too. Every toilet is top-rated by real RV users. Never sacrifice comfort while on the road again. Experience reliable sanitation wherever your journey takes you. No more searching for public restrooms during your trip. Upgrade your RV lifestyle with advanced sanitation solutions. Transform your travel experience. Enjoy every adventure. Installation is simple, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Water-saving operation means fewer refills on the go. Designed for mobile living, built to withstand every journey. Ready to make your holiday travels a breeze? Choose from the 10 best RV toilets today. Click the link in the description and upgrade now. Comfort and convenience are just a flush away.